While most students will focus on internship experiences during their college years, beginning at high school makes you stand out. Not only is it a great way to begin exploring career interests, but it will also help you get a head start on your college applications. So let's begin discussing how to find internships for high school students. Before we jump into it, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed. And make sure to check out our other Tenney video here where we discuss how to make homework less boring. The first and most important step before applying is to explore your interests. Most students in high school have probably not explored their career interests. Spending time now to research some potential fields will make the process go a lot smoother. I would begin by Google searching some career positions that seem of interest. Keep in mind that we are not researching internship opportunities yet. Instead, we're going with the idea of what type of career field you see yourself doing as an adult. Some good examples would be jobs in computers, engineering, or in medical fields. Remember, there are no wrong choices here. You want to choose what you are interested in doing, so don't be afraid to be honest with yourself about what type of things you like and what you don't like. While keeping that in mind, don't be afraid to push outside of your comfort zone and explore something new. Once you have narrowed down your interest for careers, it's now time to start researching companies in those fields. Making sure a company's mission lines up with your own specific interest is important to enjoying what you're going to do. Really dive into what makes that company successful and its plan for continuing their success. Also see what others have to say about the company. Glassdoor and Google business reviews are a great way to hear what others have to say about that company. The next step is to start your network. This can be done in a few different ways. If you're 16 years old or older, I recommend starting a LinkedIn account. This is a great way to begin connecting and networking with like-minded individuals and companies. If you're younger than 16, then start pursuing companies' websites and their contact info. You may want to focus on individuals in the current position that you're interested in. This would be the positions that you researched during the first step. If you're unable to find individuals' contact info, we would recommend finding the company's recruiting and/or human resources information. Most companies will provide a page for sign up if they have available internship opportunities. However, even if a company does not provide any information, it's still a good idea to show initiative by contacting the company. Initiative shows the company that you're interested and committed to the opportunity that may or may not be present there. If a company is impressed and likes you enough, they may be willing to create an internship position just for you. Remember all of the networking and collecting of contact info in the previous step? You're going to be using these emails and phone numbers now. Begin by emailing or calling the company of interest. Make sure you state your name and your interest in working as an intern. Making sure that you are interested in gaining experience in the type of field that you want. This makes your intentions clear to the company. Once you have shown initiative, it's time to back off and let the company come to you. If you have not heard from them in a week, it can be a good idea to send a follow-up email. Be warned, you don't want to be overly communicative and pushy. Hopefully by this point you have been contacted by the company that you're interested in, and now you want to start thinking about what you want to get from your internship. Many companies on the first day will ask you questions like this to get you off to a good start and thinking about your field now. If you're looking to learn more about computer programming, make sure you tell the company that. Remember, internships are a two-way street. If you're hoping to gain valuable experience from the company, you want to make sure that it's worth it for you. To conclude, I hope this video is helpful in answering how to find internships for high school students. Moreover, I hope you found it encouraging to explore some more interest outside of your comfort zone. Internships are a key way to stand out on the college application process and will go a long way to improving your resume. If you're looking for more structured guidance from one of our college counselors, you can schedule a time at your convenience down in the description below. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in to today's episode of Tenney. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give us a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Be sure to also hit that bell icon to be notified anytime we go live with a new video.